Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Google Analytics and signing in with an account that has admin or editor access. Once signed in, choose the organization and the specific property you want to inspect. This ensures you don't grab the wrong ID. Next, go straight to the admin section in the lower left. This is where property configuration lives. Make sure you're on the right property column. The property selector at the top confirms you've selected what you intend to modify. Once an admin, navigate to the property column and click Data Streams. This lists web, iOS, and Android streams. Select the web stream that corresponds to your site. Streams are named and show URLs to help you confirm. On the Stream Details page, you'll see configuration cards. The measurement ID appears prominently near the stream name in the format GXXXXXXX. Copy that ID. You'll use it to configure G-Tag, Google Tag Manager, or CMS integration, so events and page views start flowing. After copying the measurement ID, implement it into your site tag or CMS plugin, and then verify in real-time reports to confirm hits show up. If you don't see data, double-check the exact ID string and ensure there are no extra characters. Mismatches are common. Also confirm your account still has necessary permissions and that you selected the correct property and stream. If problems persist, try a different browser or clear cache, and then recheck the admin data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.